Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and tonight we really have something good for you. That's right, I said tonight. Tonight we're doing McGriddles right here on this Blackstone. Because guess what? Breakfast for supper? Sometimes that's the best thing to have for supper. You can have breakfast anytime. But the reason we're making McGriddles is, well, you can't go to McDonald's and get it this late in the afternoon. For whatever reason, McDonald's decided it's a good idea to not have breakfast all day anymore. And these kids have not been happy about it at all. They don't like it. So we found a way to make McGriddles on the Blackstone. And guess what? Not only these McGriddles, these are better McGriddles. These are better than anything you'll ever get at McDonald's. Because when you make stuff at home, you do it your way. And that's what the beauty of these Blackstones and everything else. You do anything you cook at home, you do it your way. You know what your family likes. You cook it like that. So with that being said, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It really helps us out. Now, we had a lot of people subscribe already, and we appreciate that. We really do. It's mind-boggling how many people has actually hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much if you've been here. We really appreciate it. And I'll tell you what, we really appreciate it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't. Also, while you're down there, we have a link to our Blackstone playlist. Be sure to check that out. We have a lot of Blackstone cooking going on down there. I'll get out in a minute. Also, while you're down there, we have a Facebook, a Twitter, an Instagram, a Pinterest, and a snail mail, and an email, and just all different kind of things down there that might interest you. Also, Walmart and Amazon affiliates. So check all that out down there. If you're looking for anything in this video, we might have a link to it down there. Let me know if we don't. Also, if you want us to cook anything in particular, hey, let us know that too. We'd love to hear it. So with that being said, we got to fire this thing up and show you some groceries. Now, you can't make a McGriddle on a cold griddle, so let's heat this thing up. Let's get these three burners here going. I'm gonna leave this side off so we can slide things over as we need to. And we're gonna go, as normal, about a medium, low, and somewhere in between. We can adjust later if we need to. Let's get heating up. Now, you remember when I told you can make McGriddles your way? Well, guess that's what we're gonna do tonight. We have a request for a bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle, and we have a request for a sausage McGriddle. So, with that being said, we have a plain pancake mix right here. We have some syrup that we actually need to get some more syrup, don't we? We got enough of this though. Got some syrup we're gonna kind of flavor that with while it's cooking. Of course, we got some bacon here. Now, as you see, we got pretty good size sausage patties right here. That's the beauty of it. You can make your own however big you want. We got 2 eggs and 2 slices of American cheese right there. And in this bowl over here, we got a little bit of syrup. We got something special for that. Wait till you see that. All right, the grill is smoking. That means it's time to cook. So what we're gonna do first is we're not gonna cook the McGriddle pancakes first because they cook quick. We're gonna go ahead and cook the bacon and the sausage and then cook the egg. Get all that slid over and then we'll cook our McGriddles. Put it all together. It's gonna be good. So let's get some bacon on here. We're gonna get this bacon all cooked up here. That's right, we're going 4 strips tonight. 4 strips. Get our sausage on here. Now the eggs won't take long either, so we're gonna cook them right before we get the McGriddles going and right after we cook these. So let's cook. Give our bacon a quick flip here. We're cooking on the other side. Now the beauty of making these McGriddles here at home is it don't take long at all. It really don't. And you can put on whatever you want on your McGriddle. Y'all, this bacon's almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and slide one piece kind of over here. Keep it warm. We'll do this piece, go ahead and move it over. Flatten that out a little bit. Oh yeah, buddy. Gonna be some big sausage patties on that McGriddle. Now the good thing about cooking the bacon and the sausage first is now we can cook the eggs in the bacon and sausage grease. Make it really good. All right, y'all. This bacon's done. We're just gonna move it over here and let it stay nice and warm. And believe it or not, it'll get good and crispy right there. Get the sausage done. Let's crack some eggs. Don't want no runny yolk on my McGriddle, y'all. Or theirs either. Be some ugly eggs, but it's gonna look pretty on that McGriddle. That egg's done, y'all. Didn't flip real pretty, but I tell you what, it made a pretty egg. That egg's done, y'all. We're gonna keep them over here and just keep them warm. Don't want to overcook the eggs. Get these sausages done. Now see, sausage take a little bit because I mean, look how thick they are. Okay, bacon's done, eggs are done. We need to move the sausages over now. Let's get that done. Keep them over there. Clean our griddle up just a little bit. All right, y'all, it's time to cook these McGriddles. Now, here's what we did. I have 2 metal egg rings, as you see, and I have greased them with butter. Now, the reason I'm using the metal egg rings, I've tried the silicone with the McGriddles, and they did okay, but it seems like the edges of the McGriddle, while it's cooking, cook a lot easier, and it holds the form a lot better. And I did pre-grease these with butter, as you see. Let's get them on here. Now, these will not take long at all. Pour some mix in here, like so. Get just a little bit of syrup in there, like so. And it won't be long, we'll be flipping these. Now, I did turn this griddle down to low also. Now, let's take these rings off, y'all. See there how well they held? Except for that one. But that's okay. That's all right. All you gotta do now is kind of just come over here and shape it up, see? Look at that. Ooh, that smells so good. And you get your pancakes done like you want them, we're gonna make 2 of these. Next was we got a little extra pancake bites over here. That's right. Pancake bites. Let's go ahead and get 2 more going real fast, like, and in a hurry. Syrup. Or syrup, however you want to say it. Let's check these, make sure they're not burning. Oh yeah, they're looking good back there. About this one. Oh yeah. I need me a brand, like a CP kind of brand thing. I can put my CP on top, like the McDonald's has their M. I could put CP right there. How awesome would that be? All right, y'all. Let's see if we can flip these. Oh yeah. Making some pancake bites over here. Ha ha ha. Now, you don't have to clean them up if you don't want to. Yeah, we're just trying to make it a little prettier, that's all. Look at that. Got some pancake bites. You mix out some scrambled eggs or something? Oh, buddy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get our pancakes done like we want them. Won't be long. We're going to be eating. All right, y'all. The McGriddles, pancakes, whatever you want to call these things, are done. So let's kill the heat. Slide these over. Let's clean our griddle and let's build. Okay, y'all, it's time to build these things. And guess what? One of the crazy kids showed up. So he's going to tell me exactly how he wants his built, ain't you? That's right. So what we're going to do is, I got a surprise for y'all. Watch this. Not only did we put syrup in it, we're going to brush it and put syrup on it. What you think about that? All right, now what you want? What you want?
Sausage.
He wants a piece of sausage, some sausage.
Bacon.
He wants some bacon. You want more bacon? Yeah. An egg. Okay. And that's it? All right, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll take this one here. We'll brush more syrup on that one. How's that sound? Take it. Oh, yeah. All right. I got to build mine now. Let me get your ugly thing out the way.
Ugly.
Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. You think so? Put some syrup on here. Put some sausage. Mine's going to be almost the same as his. I got one little trick up my sleeve. Yeah, buddy. Egg. Some cheese. Cheese, please. What I ought to do is melt it down, but I ain't going to. It's going to be okay. It'll melt down with the heat of all this other stuff. Now, I got enough syrup on mine, so I'm not going to top this top one off with syrup. Get that piece of egg hanging off. Damn, Junebug. That's how McDonald's ought to do McGriddles. What you think? Y'all need to see this. Check out the McGriddles right there, would you? I mean, look, that's Junebug's. Look how pretty that thing is. But look at mine. With that cheese, and that sausage, and that bacon, and that egg hiding up under that cheese. Oh, yeah. All right, we got them built. You ready to eat, ain't you? I want you to look at mine, y'all. Man, scared to pick it up. It's just so pretty. Look at that. All right, before we bite into this, well, I tell you what, these things are really good. They love McGriddles, don't you? Kind of upset McDonald's don't serve them all day, though, ain't you? Yeah, well, let's see if this is any better. Mmm. Mine's delicious. How's yours? Mine's better than McDonald's. Nah. What about yours?
Same.
Same as McDonald's? Or better than McDonald's?
It's the same.
Well, okay, tastes the same. I'll go with that, I guess. Mine's better. Mmm. It's delicious. Perfect on that sweetness and that syrup on there. That sausage. That thick sausage. That bacon. That egg and cheese just all coming together. So, there's your fix right there. You can't get to McDonald's in the morning and get your McGriddle. You can make one at home now. So, if you make one, let me know. If you had made one, let me know. If you want to try it, let me know that also. We'd love to see how you do. He's still eating. It must be pretty good. So, we got to finish these sandwiches. May have to cook some more. We don't know yet. So, while we get all that done, you check all them links down below that I mentioned earlier. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave us a comment. Get all that done. We're going to get all this done, and we'll see you next time.